So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can transfer money internationally using Revolut. So using this method, as long as you've got the account details of where you want to send money to, you can send money abroad within seconds. So the first step is you'll want to open up the Revolut app to this page here, and then click on the payment section here. Then for the next step, you'll want to click on this plus sign at the top here, and then it should open you up to this page where you can then go ahead and select international transfers. So once you've selected to send international, it should open you up to this page here, where it will then ask you to confirm which country you want to send money to. So for the example in this video, I'm obviously from the UK, so let's say I want to send money to the United States. I'll just go ahead and search for the United States in the search bar here. Then once you've selected which country you want to send money to, it will then ask you to confirm how much you want to send. And of course, because we said the United States, it's converted it into dollars. So for this example, let's say we want to send $20. Then once you've selected the amount, it will then pull you through to this page here, where it will then ask you for the bank details of where you want to send money to. Obviously, these details can vary again depending on the country, but obviously because we're sending to the US, it asks for the ACH number and the account number. Then once you've entered those details, it will probably then ask you to confirm the address of the account that you're sending the money to. And then once you've confirmed that, it will then give you the opportunity to review your transaction before you send it. So again, just make sure this is all correct before you send. And if you're happy, you can go ahead and press send at the bottom here. And that is pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And thanks again for watching.